Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I came to Petrogradskaya District in St. Petersburg to meet my friend Tanya. You already know her. And here we came to the cafe. So we decided that we're not hungry, and Tanya took tea with облепиха. I don't know how to call it. And I will take raspberry espresso tonic.
So let's go.
Пойдемте. We ordered coffee and tea. Now we're looking for a free table at this place, and of course we're enjoying the view from these beautiful big windows. I have never been here before at this place, and I really enjoy the atmosphere of people working inside. It has like a co-working zone and tables for people like us who just want to chill and to chat with their friends. So we decided to choose this table in front of the window at the end of the room. I think it's best place for two friends that just want to chill at some kind of private zone and with a good view and good drinks. I'm at home now, it's evening. I was at home and now I'm going to the shop to pick up the order from the pet store. I ordered gifts for Richie, the ball, toys and boots with the fur for winter. The store is called Four Paws and it is really big. We're coming in and it has a big variety of pet toys. Such cute, like this one. A big amount of different we like this, but I think they're too big for our dog. And look at these hats. You can choose a costume for a happy Christmas, New Year for your dog. It's very cute, I think, and it costs around $5 for a coat and $2 or $3 for Christmas hats. A big variety of shoes. Prices start from $10. And here is Rich's favorite ball. He adores this one. And look at this. If you want to make your puppy a deer this Christmas, you can definitely buy for $8. And these toys are for $3. A big Christmas collection. And this toy smells like bone and smells like beef, really one. Now we're coming into cafe. We wanted, not into cafe, it's a bakery. We wanted to take some bun, but when we came in, we understood that there is no one inside. I don't like this atmosphere. And buns here looks like at the canteen, not very beautiful, I think. So we decided to choose another place and not to buy here anything. Such boots we bought for Richie. It is with fur inside and it helps to protect Richie's foot from salt and other chemicals that are using in our city to melt the snow. Yes, you like? Today I ordered a delivery and I don't know why, but I ordered lots of different juices, kids juices, with different fruits from different brands. I think now I can do a challenge trying these all juices, but don't know if it will be interesting. But I'm like at the shop now at home, choosing which juice I will drink tonight. Friday night, Richie is wearing his new boots. Saturday morning, breakfast and going to the forest. We came to the forest. Richie is exploring. Richie is enjoying this wonderful place. And this is the Gulf of Finland. in St. Petersburg. Very beautiful, so frosty, amazing trees, very high. Misha with apples.
Yeah.
Now we're at home resting and watching Harry Potter. Today we invited our friends for dinner, but they declined our invitation. But I want to film what I cooked for them, not for them, for us. A cake with sour cream, my favorite one, and 2 desserts. They will look and be jealous.